Hi besties, so today's recipe is oven baked chicken or oven grilled chicken. So the ingredients are paprika, this is thyme, okay, and this is chicken spice or chicken seasoning, this is rosemary, this is my all pepper seasoning, okay, and this is salt to taste. This is a bit of curry powder, and this is my garlic and ginger cube. It is frozen. This is bell pepper, some onions, and then some habaneros. Okay, this is habanero pepper. So we are going to blend everything together. So let's dive into the video already. So as I said earlier, so this is the pepper. So I'll go ahead and pour everything together. Okay, so we are going to blend this with oil. All right, trust me, just trust me. If you season your chicken or if you grill your chicken with this seasoning, oh my god, I always say that you look for Dr. Rosie and buy her a Range Rover, guys. So I created incisions on the chicken, okay, because I want every bit of spice to enter where it's supposed to go. Ibab, you get what I'm saying? Okay, so I'll pat dry with a paper towel. Okay, it's very important. So we are coming to marinate this chicken. So I'm going to pour all the spices. Okay, not all, but then majority of the spices. Okay, so guys, it smells so nice. Hey, Shampapa, guys. Oh my gosh. So I wore gloves because I don't want the spice to remain on my hands. So I massaged it very well, and then I stored it in the fridge for like an hour. And I brought my baking pan out. This is my olive oil. I'll just sprinkle or spray some in the pan, and then I'll go ahead and arrange my chicken very well. So whilst doing this, my oven is on already. I have on the oven. Okay, so remember the bell peppers and the onions is for flavor. If you know Dr. Rosie is a flavorful woman. Okay, so just bake or grill your chicken this way. My gosh, you are going to thank me later. Just try it and let me know you're going to try it first. Okay, let me know in the comment section when you try it. You will never regret when you try this recipe. You will never regret. So you keep checking from time to time. Okay. So this is how the chicken is looking like. So I'm going to flip it to the other side. Guys, I hope your jollof is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. My name is Dr. Rosie. Bye.